Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
Okay, I see you look so great today. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay.
How about you, ma'am?
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I'm fine too. Thank you. Yeah.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay. Before I start my lesson today, absent class, Mas Budi. Where is Mas Budi? Where is Mas Budi, the captain class? Yes, okay. Please lead your friend for prayer first. Silahkan teman-temannya dipimpin untuk berdoa terlebih dahulu.
Okay, my friends, before we start this, let's pray together. Hopefully Allah will bless our activity today. Start now. Finish.
Ya, okay, thanks Mas Budi. Ya, now I will check your attendance list first. Who is absent today? Who is absent today? Okay, you are ready ya to receive my lesson today. And I hope so that you are all always in a good condition. I'd like to know first, do you have a favorite story? Okay, students? Yes. Okay, who wants to answer first?
Saya Bu.
Okay, Mbak Ami first. Okay, what is your favorite story, Mbak Ami?
Cerita Kancil dan Buaya, Bu.
Okay, Mbak Ami favorite story is about Kancil dan Buaya. Okay, maybe other student?
Malin Kundang.
Okay, where is? Okay, Mbak Ana. Yes. What is your favorite story?
Oh iya.
Yes.
Legenda Surabaya, ma'am.
Okay, Mbak Ana said with Legenda Surabaya. Any else maybe? Masih ada yang lain? Oke, Mbak Reni.
Malin
What is that?
Kundang.
Okay, Malin Kundang. Okay, this is the kind of legend too, ya. Okay, thank you, student. Yeah, I'm sure that all of you have a very favorite legend of Surabaya. Now we are going to study about narrative text. Bu Ena akan menyampaikan terlebih dahulu tujuan pembelajaran yang bisa kita capai dalam pembelajaran pertemuan kali ini. Yang pertama, tentunya nanti setelah kalian mempelajari naratif teks, ya, yang pertama, kalian mampu menjelaskan dari fungsi sosial, kemudian struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari teks naratif. Kemudian yang kedua, setelah itu tentunya kalian mampu untuk membuat teks naratif, ya, terkait dengan cerita legenda sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Dan yang terakhir tentunya kalian harus mampu mempresentasikan di depan kelas secara lisan dengan penuh percaya diri, ya, dan dengan lancar, ya. Okay, before I will teach you or learn about narrative text deeply, I will share you the video. Let's watch the video first, ya.
This is a story
Okay.
about Malin.
Yes,
a
ma'am.
very
Pay
good
attention,
family
okay?
who
Happy
lived with his
watching.
mom. His father is a sailor, but he had already died.
Maybe one of you want to ask first? To ask first related with the video? Yeah, okay. Mbak Maria, what is it? Okay, what is it?
I have a question. Saya punya pertanyaan ya.
Iya, oke.
Cerita Malin Kundang. Mengapa cerita Malin Kundang disebut dengan legendnya? Itu
Oke. Ya, like
kok dinamakan
ya, related with our topic today ya, Mbak Maria. Good question, I think ya. Maybe one of you want to answer Mbak Maria's question first. Mungkin dari teman-teman ada yang menjawab dulu. Oke, Mbak Reni. Oke, what is it?
Karena ceritanya sudah dari dulu, Bu, turun-temurun.
Oke, ya, ya. What is that? We call it ya turun temurun ya Mbak Reni ya. Oke, ya. Good answer. Maybe I think that all of you is a good and clever students ya. Maybe as you know that why we Malin Kundang is included of legend ya. As like Mbak Ami said, kemudian Mbak Reni said ya, legend are compare ya with imaginary story ya, and real past event. Sometimes some of other many people here believe ya with that. Kalian some of others say that it cannot be proved for the true. Yeah, from the first part from the video, what did you get? That's right. Orientation here means ya who were involved in the story, when and where. Next, yeah, the second part. Yeah, who knows? Yeah, related with some of a yeah. And then what did you call that? Kalian sebut apa itu?
Complication,
Kalian sebut
ma'am.
Oke, good ya Mas Dian ya, with complication, problem
Resolution.
solving, resolution. That's right ya. Oke, resolution. And then for the last part ya, about Malin Kundang, curse or other thing here, what do you think? Kira-kira how about the ending of the story? How about the ending?
Boleh durhaka, Bu.
Jangan sombong,
Ada
Mas.
understanding deeply about the material. Please try to write down. I have shared to you. Have you watched it? Sudah melihat? Are you clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ya. Please take your book, take your pen, ya, and then write here, ya, in our discussion like narrative, like who, where, when, ya, and then for others thing, and then a kind of legend, and the generic structure. Okay, ya. Are you ready to write it? Siap untuk menulisnya?
Yes,
Siap untuk
ma'am.
menulisnya? Oke. Oke, I will give you a time moment ya. Write the supporting detail of narrative text ya. Now I will divide you into me. Tolong didengarkan Bu Erna dulu ya. I will divide you into a group. Ya, one group consists of 3 students. Ya, please listen well each of your group. The first group lead by Mas Ian. Yes. Second group lead by Mbak Ami. Ya. The members Mbak Yesi and Mbak Maria. The third group lead by Mas Budi with Mas Yusuf ya, by Mbak Ana with the members Mbak Reni and Mas Oong. Are you clearly? Okay. Yes, good. Yeah. Now please listen to me. The first thing that you have to do first, yeah, find one of interesting topic about legend story. The first, yeah. The second, yeah, make an outline first, yeah, of your story, yeah, and then for the third here, develop your story into a good story of narrative text. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah.
Okay,
Please make based on your group. I will give you the time around 10 minutes. Please do it now. Okay, students, the time is up. Are you finished? Are you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, be ready ya. I will call each of the member first ya. I need other student get attention. The first group for Mas Ian. Yeah, I would like to know about your writing and your topic. What is your title of your story, Mas Ian? What is it?
The
Yeah?
title is The Legend of Pasuruan, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. The Legend of Pasuruan, yeah. This is kind of the legend, yeah. And then
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
second group, there is Mbak Ami, lead by Mbak Ami.
The Legend of Prambanan Temple.
Yeah, the Legend of Prambanan Temple. Yeah, I hope so. Between one group and the other group will be different topic. Yeah. See ya, Mbak Anna. The last group, Mbak Anna.
Yes,
Okay, what
ma'am.
is your story? What is your story?
The Legend of Surabaya, ma'am.
Okay, The Legend of Surabaya. Okay, Mbak Anna, maybe I will ask you first about what is the orientation of your story about Legend of Surabaya? Oke, kira-kira orientasinya masuk di bagian yang mana? The Legend of Surabaya?
Di paragraf pertama, ma'am.
Oh, in the first
The
paragraph.
first
Yeah.
paragraph.
Maybe you can explain it a little. Maybe you can explain to
Ya,
your
dibaca
friends
ya,
here.
ma'am.
Ya,
Dibaca ya.
dibaca dulu karena belum presentasi. Oke.
Oh, yang orientasi semuanya,
Orientation.
ma'am. Orientation.
Iya,
Oke.
beres. Yang mana
Itulah.
yang masuk bagian orientasi? Oke.
Oh ya, oke, ma'am. A long time ago, there were two animals, Sura and Baya. Sura was the name of a shark, and Baya was a crocodile. They live in a sea. Itu, ma'am, orientationnya, ma'am.
I will continue about your performance, ya. But before it, I will give you a time around 10 minutes. Please study it well, because later I will ask you to perform it in front of the class orally so that you can impress yourself, explore yourself. Don't forget about your pronunciation. Okay, understanding? Okay, next I will give you a time around 10 minutes from now. Study it well first. Student, the time is up. Yeah. I hope so that you can present well. Yeah, as you know that I need you with your fluently. Yeah, present the first. Yeah, without I call you. Okay, Mbak Anna. Okay, Mbak Anna want to present. Your time is yours. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Titlenya The Legend of Surabaya. A long time ago, there were two animals, Sura and Baya. Sura was the name of a shark, and Baya is a crocodile. They live in a sea. Once, Sura and Baya were looking for some food. Suddenly, Baya saw a goat. Feeling tired of fighting, they lived in the different places. Sura lived in the water and Baya lived in the land. Again, they fought, hit each other. Sura bit Baya's tail. Baya did the same thing to Sura. He beat Sura very hard. Finally, Sura gave up and went back to the sea. Baya was happy.
Yeah,
Sudah, ma'am.
okay.
Terima
Maybe give
kasih.
applause first, yeah, to Anna's performance. Yeah. Okay, maybe before it, yeah, I would like to know from other friends about your comments, yeah, of Anna's performance. But Anna performance, what do you think?
Anna
Okay,
is
Mbak Maria.
confident.
Okay, Mbak
Anna
Anna.
is
Yes.
confident enough to present the task,
Okay.
and she speaks clearly, and the pronunciation is very good.
Know about what did you get from our teaching process here? What is that? Who want to answer? Apa yang sudah kalian dapatkan? Oke, Mas Budi. Ya, oke.
I know how to write legend, ya.
Yeah.
Legend, and then generic structure, orientation, complication, and others. Okay.
I think that from our learning today, yeah, for the legend, yeah, as we know that it is a kind of orientation, yeah, for the generic structure, complication, resolution, and the orientation. The important thing is get the message, yeah. We said that with the function is to entertain or amuse the readers with the story. And you add at home as your work for the next meeting. Yeah, actually, I am very appreciate with our learning today. You are so active. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, stay healthy, stay at home. See you again next meeting.